दूर से नज़ारा ऐसा दिखता है। Hello, welcome to my another vlog. So right now we are going to explore new waterfall of Meghalaya, which is not popular too much, but it's really nice. So it's totally offbeat places. So I'm going to show you that offbeat waterfall. So right now I'm in a nice view with my bike. So today I'm going on a bike. This is the scenario of this place. So this is on the way to Lightroom Canyon, Grand Canyon. So this is my bike. Since 1 year I'm using this one. I had lost my off-road helmet, so I have to use this one only today. So I'm waiting for one of my brothers, their family. So I'm going with them today. So this is the scenario of this place. It's really amazing. Very, very beautiful. Woohoo! So right now I had reached to this place, so I had packed water bottle here and some bananas, local bananas from the local market. So this is, wow, the view. So these are the farms. नज़ारे दिखे बहुत खूबसूरत है। Temples कहाँ है? Temples? बाइक में लेके चलने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा था. I was having problem carrying the banana in the bike, and in my water bottle, so I bought 5 bottles, but 3 bottles already filled. 2 bottles already filled, so I can just give it to the children, local kids. They were having water over there. They were so happy after getting the bananas. It was 10 kilometers ride. ये नज़ारा तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. वाओ, वैली लाइक जुको वैली. के बाद एकदम आपको साइन बोर्ड में एकदम शूटिंग जाने के लिए एकदम पडेम फॉल्स जाने के लिए पडेम फॉल्स का एकदम संडे में क्लोज है. हम लोग ये रास्ते से जाएंगे, रास्ता खराब है. So right now I had reached over here, so now I need to take left side. I need to go to this village area. From here, by entering the village area, I will see the parking. अभी कुछ उधर फॉल्स पे गाँव पहुँच गया है. Ticket master.
Ticket master.
Eh, paisa wana तुम्हें? Beg bar.
Wah, mana?
70 मिलेगा वो 70.
Ada sana ibu jok.
50 and
Yan, Pdem Falls na one group parking.
20 दो 20. हाँ होगा.
Katna? Okay. Kublai mo?
Yes.
Yes.
Yung kita
गाड़ी कैसे देंगे ना 20 मिनट.
Kamu nuno?
Thiếu ba.
Siyo ba? So, we are going to start the trek. Yeah. So right now we are going to start the trek and our group. Ah, jok mo, kublai. Apa dah? Antini dukan. No.
और एक तो चना. Door.
So right now we came from here and we are going to down from here. Oh, that side over there. Let's go. Hi. So right now we are doing a trekking for almost, we need to go 20 to 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. I don't like that. So right now we are doing this trekking from here. I think you can bring it on bike also. Oh, so fast. So this is a bridge.
Bob Mark and first. Ni Monday.
Oh, we are almost going to reach our destination, Pdem Falls. So almost we're going to reach. So about the terrace farming. Anh xem đó. Anh xem ra. Thiệt to. So we have to go down from here. So over the in downside there is a waterfall. It's called Pdem Falls. So we have to trek down. I think it almost 30 minutes trek, but going back it may take 1 hour maybe. So look the views, totally amazing views. Oh, there's a down there is a blah waterfall, blah, and there is a Pdem waterfall. You have to cross this valley. So there is a signboard over here. Downside blue falls, upside Pdem Falls, like this. Anh xem nha. Bố. Anh xem. So 10 minutes walk from here, maybe. So We are almost reached Pdem Falls. From long distance also you can see the falls, waterfalls. Woohoo! दूर से नज़ारा ऐसा दिखता है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारा है दूर से। तो यह सबको जाना पड़ेगा वहाँ तक। उसके बाद ये ऐसा करते हैं। Over here, so you can hear the sound of the waterfalls. Oh, I think the footpath is newly constructed, maybe this year only. We reached the Pdem Falls. Here we are in the Pdem Falls. Woo. Dia kasih berapa? So right now I'm swimming in the Pdem Falls. Woo! Yahoo! Woo! Woo! Yeah! So cool! So they are playing with the rocks right now here. Woohoo! Enjoying the waterfall. So I had taken all of the boat. Now we're going to take some pictures and we'll move out from here. हम लोग ने अभी इधर में नहा लिया है, अभी कपड़ा वपड़ा पहनेगा, उसके बाद हम लोग चला जाएगा इधर पे। बहुत ही मज़ा आ गया है, नहा लिया ठंडा ठंडा पानी में, नहा लिया है। तो देखो कितना आराम से सो रहा है इधर में। मज़ा आ गया। रखिए हम लोग भी आना है, शिलोंग से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, शिलोंग से ऑलमोस्ट सिर्फ 2 घंटा का रास्ता है। हम लोग कभी भी आके देख सकते हैं इस Pdem Falls को। So this is Pdem Waterfall. मज़ा आ गया वाटरफॉल देख के। तो ये है Pdem Falls। बहुत लोग नहा रहे हैं। कैसा लगा दोस्तों देख के? कमेंट में बता देना कैसा लगा। So right now we are going to what? Blue Falls. So this side, if you will go, then you will reach Pdem Falls, and this side it will be Blue Falls. On the way to Blue Falls. आप लोग Pdem Falls के बाद यहाँ जा सकते हैं ब्लू फॉल्स देखने के लिए. देखते हैं ब्लू फॉल्स. Oh, you have blue waterfalls. It's like small elephant falls. तो शिलोंग में elephant falls जैसा है ना, वैसे ही छोटा वाला elephant falls है ये. ये अच्छा लगा देखते हैं. ये देखते हैं. ये ब्लू फॉल्स. वीडियो को यहाँ पर ख़त्म करता है. So I'm going to end the video. So bye bye. See you in next vlog in next location. For more, subscribe my channel.